Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. You can see the 2D drawing along with the ISO view. First I will create this base plate. The base plate dimension is 50 by 75, thickness is 10 mm. Friends, if you want drawing, you can leave the comment below. Definitely I will send you. Select file, new, select part, OK. Here you can see right side bottom, we can change the unit. I will go with mmgs. First select the extruded boss, select the front plane, create one center rectangle first, give the dimensions, this is 75 mm and this is 50 mm. The thickness is 10 mm. Finish sketch. So you can change the direction here. OK. Next I will create this circular part. The diameter is 35 mm, height is 80 mm. Select the front plane again, sketch, give the dimension 35 and here to here 80 mm. So here give the tangent constraint. Now you can see sketch is fully defined. And also here you can see the offset is 110 mm and length is 25 mm. Finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction, give the dimension 25 mm. Here select offset, give the offset 100 mm. OK. Control ISO view. Next I think we need one plane here to create this sketch. Select the plane, select this face, here give the dimension 35 by 2. So select flip offset. OK. Now select the plane here, sketch, create sketch. You can see here there is a L shape sketch. The offset is 3 mm, thickness is 10 mm. Give the dimensions. Here give one constraint. or we can give the dimension here. $17.5. Next there is a pillets. The top pillet is 15 and bottom is 5 mm. Select here sketch pillet. Give the 5 mm bottom. Okay. Finish sketch. Select extrude. Here select mid plane. Give the dimension 35 mm. Next there is a one rib. Select the same plane. Here you can see gap is 10 mm. This is also 10. Next there is a pillet, that is R25. Select pillet, give the dimension 25 mm. Finish sketch. Select rib here. Reverse the direction. Thickness is 10 mm. Okay. Next there is a holes. Here you can see diameter 16 mm. Create one dia 16 circle. Okay. Select extruded cut. Here we can select up to next. Okay. Next here dia 4 mm holes are there, 6 holes. So we can do the pattern here, circular pattern. First create center lines. Create one circle also. Give the dimension. The PCD of the hole is 25 mm. Select this circle. Here select for construction. Next give the dimension here, here to here 45 degree. Create one dia 4 circle. So sketch is fully defined. Here select linear sketch pattern. Select this sketch. Select the axis. sorry, here select sketch first, here go to patterns, circular pattern, select the circle center axis, here give 6 holes, here select equal spacing, okay. Finish sketch, extruded cut, here we can select up to next, okay. Next here there is a one cutout, the cutout dimensions is dia 18, 22 and 20. This is 22 mm. Finish sketch, extruded cut, here we can select through hole, okay. Control 7. Next there is a fillets, we can hide this plane, just click the hide button. Here there is a fillet R20 and this fillet is 31. This is 31 mm. So that's it, 3D part. So you can compare. So now we can assign the material here. Select which material you want as per your requirements. So these are all the standard materials. So I will go with metal, steel, polished steel. And also you can edit appearances. Select any one of these. Here select face and this one. So we can highlight the holes to identify the machining spots. Here select the faces. Select faces. Here we can assign some other color. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also I am requesting please do subscribe my channel and support my friends. Thanks for watching this session. We will see you in the next session.